So we're in Thinking with Math Models, Investigation 2, Problem 2.2, and we're on Part B of this in this video. In the previous part, we were looking at squeaky clean car wash charges. Now we're on to another car wash company called Euclid, and all we have is a graph. And what we want to do is, again, describe what's going on here. It looks like we have a change in time in minutes, and then the charge as that time increases. So you can see a nice linear relationship, straight line. As the time increases, so does the charge. And you can see that even at 0 minutes, there's a $4 charge. So it's like an initial fee. When you first start washing your car, it's $4, and then a certain amount per minute. And we can figure out that per minute charge by finding the slope of this line. So what we're going to do, because we want to find an equation, we need the slope, is look at the line here and see that it starts at 4 and then it goes up to 6. This is a $2 increment because there's 8. So 4 to 6 is a $2 change that way, and then over to 6. So the change in y, this upward change, because I'm going to try to go from one point to the next and see how it kind of stair steps up. If I start here and go up $2, that's the change in y. Goes up 2. It's my change in y. This is the y, and this is the x. Y is always the up and down. X is always the horizontal. Y is the vertical. X is the horizontal. So my change in y is $2 for every 6 minutes. So this is 6 minutes of time. And you can see that here. It goes up $2 and then over 6 minutes. Up $2 over 6 minutes. Up $2. So that's your slope. So your change in y compared to your change in x is really, I can simplify that to 1/3. 2/6 is the same as 1/3. So really for every $1 up, it goes over 3 minutes. $1 up 3 minutes. $1 up 3 minutes. So I really could have gone smaller stair steps, simplified the fraction, and so that's my slope. So at 1/3, in other words, $1 for every 3 minutes. $1 for every 3 minutes. $1, 3 minutes. $1 for every 3 minutes. Simplify the fraction down to, which then allows me to write an equation because I know that there's this $4 charge up front plus $1 for every 3 minutes. So we actually can write the equation y equals 1/3 times the minutes plus $4. That's the y-intercept. That's this point where it crosses the y-axis. So that's my y-intercept, $4. That's 0, 4 is the point. And then it goes up 1/3. And I'm going to put this in this form. C, the charge, is 1/3 times the time plus $4. Or plus the 4. So there's the equation for Euclid's car wash. It just tells you in this situation that 1/3 of the time plus $4. So if you think of even this one here, 6 minutes, a third of that is 2 plus the 4 is the $6 charge for that amount of time. So think of it that way. 1/3 of the time, or 1/3 times the time. Another way to think about it that might make a little bit more sense is to think about this in terms of dollars. So if I think of the charge is $0.33 times the time plus that $4 again, it puts it all in terms of money. It's 33 cents a minute, if you want to think of it that way. 33 cents per minute plus the $4 charge. So again, this is your cost or price per minute. And that gives me all I need for problem 2.2b.